Welcome to the Omniverse Machinima application. In this video, we will give an overview on all the different parts of this application and all the things that you can do to start generating your own stories within the Omniverse Machinima app. Before we begin, I just want to thank you for joining us and for trying out Omniverse Machinima, and I really hope that you have fun and you give us any feedback about what you would like to see in the future. So with that said, let's get started. This is the Omniverse Machinima application. It is built upon the Omniverse Kit platform and uses some unique extensions to allow you to sequence together clips to tell your story. At the core is the sequencer, which is built upon USD. It allows you to take USD scale animation, caches, time-sampled animation, cameras, and audio, and put them into a full sequence. As you can see here, we have a USD scale animation on our character. We have taken caches, USD caches from audio to face and used them to drive our face. And we have cameras sequenced. Next, we have the camera animation tool, which allows you to key a camera with predefined curves and also set values such as your f-stop or your lens length across your animation, and it works well with the sequencer. The next part is the Wrench AI Pose Estimator, and this is what we used to do our motion capture for the overview video. You can learn much more in the documentation and from the Wrench website on how to use their software. Next is the animation recorder, which allows you to take things from the pose estimator and record them into clips for playback in the sequencer. We do also have a time sample editor, which allows you to generate time samples for props, such as any sort of moving vehicles, ballistic objects, etc. We also have a reshade integration, and we've built a ton of really fun reshades that you can use in your sequence. And on top of all of this is the entire Omniverse platform, which includes connectors from major tools such as Maya and 3ds Max and Unreal Engine 4, which will allow you to bring in clips and animation to be placed into this scene and sequenced. We have already included a large amount of content from some of our partners that have been exported from many of these connectors, such as UE4 and Maya. And finally, all of the tools that you will see in our Omniverse Create application are also in Omniverse Machinima. So you can use some of the great tools like PhysX and in our flow simulation for fire and smoke to really take your sequence, your story to the next level. This is what's included in the Omniverse Machinima application. I hope you will dive into our further videos which try to explain in deep depth all of these cool new features that we're trying to bring and put in your hands to help you tell your story.